All right. Welcome. Today we're gonna do something different. Like, subscribe, comment first so before you do anything. But today we're gonna do something different. Today we're gonna catch the last hour of trading. The last hour. We're gonna stay with our things. Ticker symbol snap. Alexa, tell me what's going on with Snap today.
Snap stock is trading at $7.65, up 2.5% today. Would you like to know more about its recent performance?
Yes, please.
Snap stock is up 4% this week, trading at $7.65. The 52-week range is $6.90 to $11.77, with a market cap of $13.3 billion.
Thank you, Alexa.
You just made my day. Happy to help with your snap tracking.
All right, so in today's episode, we gonna locate our ESCs, our entries, our stop loss, and our exit. We see how we got our elephant bars, we got our tail bars. We trading on a 20. So we got all type of trades today. Here's the tail bar trade, a color change tail bar. Where stop loss. This is the most recent trade we got going on. So what did you enter today? Oh, let's go back. We can start from Monday. So let's go back to Monday. We can see all the little things we didn't put into place on Monday. So this is for Monday. Boom, boom. Let's take a deep dive. We're gonna go to the 15-minute. We're gonna take a deep dive. So this is what we did for Monday. All right, this is what we did. So these were our key levels on Monday. We can go deeper. We can take a deeper dive into it. These were our key levels on Monday. Did I go past it? Yes, I did. All right, so these were our levels. All our levels. Boom, 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 boom. Yesterday, Tuesday, levels yesterday. And today, we just looking at it today. So let's mark off our levels. Well, actually, we don't need to because we already have some levels. But we still in our vicinity, so yeah. As you can see, your boy know what he's talking about now. All right. But okay, here's a good entry. Here's a good entry right here. Stop loss. You'll still be in the trade. You see another good. This going downward. So we're looking for bullish trades. We can look at our MACD. We can look at our RSI. We at the 50 on our RSI, so we can be definitely going up. We at the 1.64 on our MACD. And it also looks like it's going bullish. So yeah. Let's see what we got for. Let's take a deeper dive. We can take a deeper dive into Bam. All right, so look like we on. Let me see what level we on. Did we do this today? Did I do this today? I don't think I did this today. I think I did do this today. I did. All right, so y'all see what it's doing. Let's see if we can zoom out a little bit. All right, the tail of the tape. All right, we can see all our little entry spots we could have put into today. So I'm gonna let y'all decide where y'all want to put y'all's at. I'm looking at and I'll see where I will put mine. Oh, we have a long entry going up, so let's see what we gonna do. Let's see what we gonna do. All right, looks like you could be hitting this level. Let me mark this for today. So it's for today. We're gonna extend that right, and we're gonna extend the left. All right, let's see what we got. So right now we going to the seven. Let me see what level was this. 770. Let's see, can we break 770 today? Here we go. Here go a good entry if you would have got in. Good entry right here. Stop loss. All right, we gonna go through the 770 line. We gonna go through that resistance point. My phone. All right, up. We rejecting the 770 line. Oh, there you go. All right. So look like we rejected the 770. Hey, if y'all ever want to play some dominoes, damn it, I ain't want to put that right there. If y'all ever want to play some dominoes, let me show y'all. Let me show. Well, I had to do all this. All right, here we go. Here we go. So if you ever want to get your head cracked real fast, here I go. Here I go. I guess we could look at my record. Oh, my bad. Here we go. Here we go. Y'all see the record? Y'all see the record? I'm always down for a good matchup. 25-6 on Blitz. Y'all see it. Anyway, let's get back to trade with us. Get back to the trading. Ain't nobody played. All right, we look like we broke the 770 mark. Ooh. All right, y'all. So your boy is gonna sell at 7,777. 777. Let's see if it's gonna reach 777. I got in at 762. So I'm going to get out at 777. All right. So would you have taken profit or would you have that continue to go? Look like I would let it continue to go. We got 45 minutes left. Let's see another red bar. I'm predicting another red bar. All right, we're back at the 770 line. Oh, look like we're getting depleted. We're getting gassed. What we gonna do? We clearly haven't broken the red bar. I'm pretty sure the next bar gonna take out the red bar. We haven't got a down signal. All right, people, like, subscribe, comment. This is ticker symbol SNAP Snapchat. Earnings is February 4th. Alexa, when is Snapchat earnings? I say, Alexa, when is Snapchat earnings? Alexa, do you hear me?
Present. Just call my name and I'll come running. Not literally, of course.
Alexa, when is Snapchat earnings report?
Snap's next earnings report is scheduled for February 4th.
Thank you, Alexa.
You're so welcome. Always here when you need me.
All right. So can y'all tell me what type of um what type of candle is this? I'm looking at it. I'm looking at it. You got the doji. So if you all said gravestone doji, you are correct. Oh, Greystone sound like it's dead. All right, let's see what we gonna do. We're creeping back up to the 770 line. We gonna break it. Looks like we gonna break the 770. Up, up, up. Zip, 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 zip. All right, now let's see if we gonna hit 775 for this day over with. Come on, push it to the limit. All right. Let's see what Alexa know. Alexa, what type of signal do a gravestone dojis send?
Gray stoneback trout, also known as weakfish, don't emit specific signals. They're attracted to frequencies between 100 to 200 hertz, similar to their communication sounds.
I'm sorry, I said a gravestone doji.
Ah, gray stoneback dogfish. These sharks use bioluminescent organs along their sides to produce light signals, which help attract prey and reduce their shadow to avoid predators.
Alexa, listen to me carefully. A gravestone doji.
I think you're asking about gray stoneback dogfish? These sharks are known for their bioluminescent organs that produce light signals to attract prey and reduce their shadow.
No, Alexa. I said gravestone doji.
Oh, I see. You're asking about gravestone dogfish. These deep-sea sharks use bioluminescent organs to produce light signals, helping them attract prey and reduce their shadow to avoid predators.
Y'all be gonna get it. She gonna get it. Okay, what does GRAVESTONEDOJI spell?
GRAVESTONEDOGE spells gravestone doge. That's GRAVESTONENDOGE.
DOJI. What is that spell? Gravestone doji?
GRAVESTONEDOJI spells gravestone doji. It's a technical analysis pattern used in trading. Looks like you're diving into some serious market analysis.
All right, so what does a gravestone doji indicate?
A gravestone doji signals a potential bearish reversal. It forms when bulls push prices up, but sellers drive them back down to the opening level, creating a long upper shadow. This pattern typically appears at the top of uptrends, suggesting the uptrend might be ending.
right, so y'all see it. So y'all see the gravestone doji. All right, the 20 look like it's going to the price, so it's either gonna fall, it's gonna collapse, or it's gonna rise. We see our gravestone Joji, so we already heard what a gravestone Joji represent. All right, like they still undecided what they want to do. So it look like price is touching the 20. Price is touching the 20 people. So either it's gonna take off or it's gonna fall. It's gonna fall to the 200. Matter of fact, all right. Price is at the 20. Either it's gonna fall or rise. I I said it's gonna fall. All right. Now if this bar, let me see. I say it's gonna go below, but it could go above. If it go to the bar, if it go this high, then we might be seeing a reversal. Well, not a reversal, but a bullish trend. So we just pretty much right here. So I see us going back to the 760 level. 762. What it look like it's going to do is like it's going to bounce off the 200. He's going to bounce off the 200. Yeah, it's going down to 660, the 662 level. All right, we on the 200. We back. We bust through that 200. We bust through that 200. So you know we going down from there. Let's see what trend is the 200 going. So the 200 is going. Here's the 200. Here's the 20. So it looks like we going. We're gonna see what we're gonna do for these next couple days. I definitely say we're gonna hit the 200, the 20. You see reverse down here, so we could be going up in the upper trajectory. But y'all see the levels, so boom. We got a long entry. We got a long entry. Let's see what we gonna do. You would still be in your trades. We have a long entry. What we gonna do? All right. Well, got a long entry, so stop loss. No, we waiting until this bar clears this bar. Uh-oh. Look like we're going down. Looks like we're going down. Uh-oh. Might hit the 775. We're gonna hit the 775. Hell, we're gonna hit the 770, my bad. All right. There we go. There we go. Entry. Stop loss. We cleared the bar. We cleared the bar. Entry your stop loss. All right. Y'all see the levels. Y'all see the levels. Got a long entry. 770. Well, we hit 770. We are on the 20. Uh-oh. Price is on the 20. Price is at the 20 and the 200. What we gonna do? We gonna get a good sell off before we close. 238. Like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. So it look like we are in between 662, 762, and 770. Price is at the 20. Price is at the 20 and the 200. What are we gonna do? I feel like it's gonna take off. All right. We looking at elephant bars, mobo bars, engulfing bars, AKAs. All right. They're like the 20 is going up. All right, what are we gonna do, y'all? What is it gonna do? Oh, it's so crazy, y'all. Before I even, so let me tell y'all a quick story of the laziness of me doing this. So, and this is what I learned. This is very important. You can see a lot of stuff if you just doing what you're supposed to do. Do it your way, however you want to do it. But you will see a lot if you're doing the right way. Even if you even if you know what I'm saying, still learning, you gonna see it. You gonna see it. You gonna see it. I'm a, so what I used to do was thinking I know everything, me being cocky and everything, me losing a lot of money. But what I used to do, I used to trade. So not looking at the time frames. So I would trade from the 15-minute time frame. I would trade from I didn't trade it from the 3 week time frame, looking at them candles, not knowing that every candle, every this is within you know what I'm saying. Every it's within. So with that being said, you gotta look at the time frame. You gotta do it right. If you're gonna do this, you gotta do it right. And so also, so with me, so I get it wrong so many times that I say I'm gonna do a process. I'm gonna get familiarized with the charts, and then I'm gonna paper trade, and then after I paper trade, I'm gonna get back into it for real. But let's see what let's see if we gonna hit the 770 mark again. 770. 770. All right, we hit the 770. We hit our resistance area. We hit the resistance mark. What we gonna do? So 770. All right, y'all. I just bought one call. One call. All right. It's 2:47. 13 minutes left. Did you put your ESE? Have you put your entries? Have you found your stop loss? Have you found your exit? Have you found them? Have you found them? Have you found them? Let's see. You could have put in on this over here. Got your color change bar. You got your doji. You got your signal. You got all type of stuff right here. Let's see if you would have got in today earlier. If you would have got in earlier, you would probably be at the trade by now. No, you will still be in. You will still be in. So I got in at 764, 762. I'm still in. Your boy is still in the trade. Got 10 minutes left. 10 minutes left. So it's gonna dip. Ten minutes left. What we gonna do? Ten minutes left. What was your ESEs today? What was your entry, your stop loss, and your exit? Let's take a big review of today's. We hit some levels. More than we hit the level this morning, the 775 level. We're gonna call it 775 level. This is the 770 level, the 60 level. So y'all see it. You see it. Let's see what. Y'all see it. Y'all see the level. Let me see where we got a long entry. We got a long entry. We gonna hit 770 again. Alright, we getting out of 770, y'all. 770, we about to, boy. 770, we up out of here. We got 7 minutes to hit 770. Seven minutes to hit 770. Like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Like, subscribe, and comment. All right, let's see what we're gonna do before we get. Got 5 minutes. Got 5 minutes. Oh, 669. Come on, hit the line, hit the jackpot, hit the jackpot. So far, I'm up a nickel. You know, and I take the nickel. Got 5 minutes to hit 70. Will we do it? Let me see. 5 minutes to hit 70. $69, 70. Man, see. All right, I'm out. I'm out like clout. Got another long entry. Mm, mm. Good takeout. Good takeout. Good takeout. Good takeout. All right, y'all. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Like, subscribe, comment. We didn't hit our level for today. We hit the 770 level. Yeah, we made these levels early in the week. We got a short entry on Snap. We got a short entry. All right, y'all. Like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Yeah, we gonna do this every day. You know, your boy got, you know what I'm saying? He got his little system down where your ESEs, your exit, your entry, your stop loss, and your exit. Yeah, that's all we doing. Figuring out what our chart familiarization. Looks like we about to hit the 762 level. But yeah, like, subscribe, comment, and all that good stuff. I'm your boy Black. Enjoy doing this with y'all. Uh, yeah, I'm enjoying this. So like, subscribe, comment, and I'm out.